Hey and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be going through the December Look Fantastic Christmas box because obviously it's December, so it's Christmas focused. If you don't know who Look Fantastic are, basically they're an online beauty store and they do subscription boxes like quite a few other places. I've subscribed to the Look Fantastic, I think it's about £13 a month, and yeah, I just kind of each month I just share with you what is in each month's box, because you can buy them individually or you can sign up to a subscription. So I just share that with you. And today we have the Christmas box because it is December. Now I do not have a very festive background. This is the only spot in the house that I could find half decent natural lighting, which again is questionable. It's actually quite grey outside. But anyway, I'm just gonna get straight into it. So this is what it looks like. They don't normally look like this if you haven't seen them before. So it's really, really cute that they've got the kind of Christmas decorations, and then they've just got like LF for Look Fantastic dotted about. So I think it's really, really cute. As always, you get a little booklet. So hopefully that'll tell me what each of the products are. And it comes like this. So we've got some lovely gold packaging to go with it, which is really, really cute, nice and Christmassy. So it kind of comes like that, and then you've got all the products in there. So what have we got this month? To start, we have a Persian Reed hairspray. So it says ultra fine, humidity resistant and providing a flexible but firm hold. This hairspray is just what you need to help your hairstyles last throughout the day. So you get a nice little hairspray there. So hopefully you can see that. Then we have a Brushworks double-ended brush. So this double-ended eyeshadow brush combines both shading and precision. That's what it looks like in the packaging, and I'll just get it out for you. I was actually thinking the other day that I needed a new eyeliner brush because my one is a bit old. So that's one end, and then nice and kind of firm for that eyeliner, and then that's the other end. Then we have the Jekka Black Champagne Glow Drops. Add some much needed sparkle this festive season with your glow drops in a beautiful champagne shade that flatters a range of skin tones. So that is what it looks like. It comes in that box. It's also vegan friendly and cruelty free. Wow. Oh my God. So as you can see, once it's rubbed in, it's a real nice glow. As you can see, like you can rub it in however much you want. So it's either subtle or kind of in your face, depends how you want to do it. Sometimes like they can be too dark for my pale skin. And actually that seems to go really well. We have the Balm Metal Eyeshadows. So it's creamy, buildable and easy to blend eyeshadow. This is just what you need to inject a bit of colour into your makeup routine for the festive season, like that. So that's the shade. I think they have a range of shades, but they're all fairly festive. Oh wow, that's really nice. And it's really creamy. That'd be a really nice kind of subtle eyeshadow, or again, if you want to build on it. But it's really nice. But it's really nice and creamy as well. It's a hydrate serum. It's got hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5, and this serum brings long-lasting hydration for a plumper, smoother complexion. It's cruelty-free and vegan-free. It just comes like that. Then lastly, in December's box, we have the Advent Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch for an all-over more youthful glow. So that's what it looks like. So they are the 6 items that you get in this month's Look Fantastic box. It's ready for Christmas. I do one of these videos every month, and like I said, I have a subscription, so I just show, you know, quick 5-minute video every month of what is in there. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe down below for more. And I will see you in my next video.